Fuck you, I'ma do me, and famous is the future I see. Y'all must be blind, but I'ma get mine. I'm done being kind, I ain't never ripped no gang. That shit ain't my thing, but I'll still pull up with that fucking cane. Pump back, my shit ain't lag, that's the shit I stack. The tic-tac when you talk to me, cause all I hear is that fucking bullshit. Skeletons in my closet, yeah, I need to get some shit off my chest. I know I ain't the best, but motherfucker, don't test me. You gon' bleed where that holes be. Fuck you, I'ma pull up with that fucking sniper. 360 shot on the thought, I'ma pull up and be smart. I'll blow your fucking brains out, that shit's gonna smell just like a fart. Fuck sus until I bust. I ain't never gonna let my homies down, or I'ma find a way to get that crown. That's the shit I found, when I pull up with the AK and make you dance like MJ. I've been smoking that fade. Pomegranate scented blunts for that pump. My whole life's a fucking lie, that's why I wanna die. But I'd rather be killed than kill myself, so here I go. Go grab the Glock, stash that shit in my cock. Get in the convenience store, that's the shit they ain't never seen before. Pull out the gun, first it was for a purpose, now I'm killing for fun. I never made it out, so I guess you could say I was done.
Pistol whip your shit, break the bitch right in front of you. Imagine the whole school saying nobody loves you, but they don't know that you're going psycho. I pray to that gun though, shoot you in both of your kneecaps for fun though.
All I feel is pain, I feel like I'm insane. All these thoughts kept inside my brain, but I guess I'm the one to blame. Yeah, all this pain I keep inside all the time. No one knows cause I try to hide it. Keep it locked up so that no one finds it. So don't try it, you don't want it. It's been years and I'm still being haunted, thinking that it'll go away. But no, I was wrong, so I locked it away. But I know that it will still break out someday. And when that happens, I want everybody to stand clear from me. This is what consumes me, bad things happening to others except for me. I live with this regret every day, thinking people understand why I'm me. But no, all they try to give is sympathy, giving me cards of how they're sorry and how it wasn't right. But nothing in this world is right, you just gotta live one day at a time. Cause time heals everything, yeah, that's the biggest lie. Time only prolongs it until you're dead, still having it on your mind until your last breath. I could care less about all my other regrets, but this one is gonna be with me for the rest of my life. Can't explain it until you were there that night.